Since starting the offshore sailing school in 1964, Steve Colgate has dedicated his efforts to providing the finest sailing instruction for novices and experienced sailors alike. A lifelong sailor, Steve has competed in 7 transatlantic races, 9 Bermuda races, 4 Fastnets, 2 America's Cups, the Olympics, and the Pan Am Games. He has authored many books and articles on sailing and is known throughout the world as an innovator in sailing education. Offshore sailing now has schools in 6 beautiful resort locations and offers 5 different courses from Learn to Sail to Advanced Racing. During this program, Steve Colgate will take us through his Learn to Sail course, which is designed for novices and those with some on-boat experience. The program will cover beginning through intermediate levels of sailing instruction and will provide the student with the ability to set sail and handle a boat with a knowledge many sailing buffs never achieve. Joining Steve for this special course at his school on the South Seas Plantation on beautiful Captiva Island, Florida, are Audrey Landers, star of TV's Dallas, and film and television star Sam Jones. Sam and Audrey will join you as we all learn to sail with Steve Colgate.
Sam and Audrey, here's our boat. It's a Solin-class sloop. A sloop is a boat with just 1 mast, all right? There are various other types of boats with many more masts, schooners, yawls, etc. But this is a sloop. Solin is a class of boat all identical within fractions of inches. There are custom-made boats that are various designs and different. But if you see another Solin-class sloop, it's going to be the same as this one. It was designed in Norway back in the 60s by 2 fellows named Sverre Olsen and Jan Linger. The SO of Solin comes from